So we're here on this back deck getting ready to do the DriveTite cable railing install. DriveTite is a great answer and solution for those of you who have box newel, oftentimes builder grade systems where there's great structures that exist, but there's railing that hinders the view. That's kind of what you can see here. We took down the railing, but we left the posts. That's what you're gonna do with DriveTite, because you take the cable, you attach it to a screw, and you drive it in the wood posts. So we're gonna show you how to do that. So you remove the existing railing. This was just some vertical aluminum balusters, and you're just gonna run that cable railing through. Another thing that you can do to help with cost, as well as making sure that your cable is taut throughout the entire system, is get these stainless steel pass-through posts. So these are going to be right here intermittently in the middle, and the cable is going to pass right through and it's going to terminate on that other end. It's also a good idea to make sure that your deck is set up properly for any kind of a railing install. One of the worst things that you can do is have a beautiful railing system with a deck that doesn't match it. If you haven't checked out our deck railing page on our website, you can go ahead and see it in the description below. We'll link it down below. Check it out. There's a lot of great resources there that will help you evaluate whether your deck is sufficient and updated enough for a railing install. What we've done on this deck is we removed all the existing stain. We sanded it, we power washed it, we put some brightener on there. We're getting ready to stain it, and that's going to not only give longevity to the deck, but it's also going to add to the appeal of the entire system. It's going to help with the renovation, and it's going to make this look like a brand new system.